Lesson 18.2 talks about interpreting the solution of a system of linear inequalities. In this lesson, we're going to split this into two separate sections. We're going to cover questions 1 and 2, and then question 3. Let's go ahead and take a look at questions 1 and 2. As you share your ideas, be sure to use mathematical terms and academic vocabulary precisely. Make notes to help you remember the meaning of new words and how they are used to describe mathematical concepts. 1. Determine the solution to the system of inequalities by graphing. A. Y is greater than 1/2 x plus 2. So we're going to start at positive 2. We are going to go up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. This is going to be dashed. And it's going to be shaded. It says greater than, so it's going to be shaded above. Dashed and shaded above. So we're going to be shading on this side of the line. All right, we need to solve this for x. So we've got, for y. We got negative 2y is greater than negative x plus 8. We want to divide by negative 2. So we're going to have y is less than, because we're dividing by a negative. This is going to be 1/2 x. And we are dividing by a negative 2. So this is going to be minus 4. So we're going to have negative 4. We're going to rise 1, run 2. Rise 1, run 2. This is going to be dashed. And because now it says less than, we're going to shade below the line. So it's going to look like this. And we're going to shade here. Okay. Let's take a look at this next one. Gonna start out with 3x plus y is less than 3. So it's going to be y is less than negative 3x plus 3. So we're going to start out at positive 3. We're going to go down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1. This is going to be dashed. And because it says less than, we're going to shade below the line. So we're going to shade this way. All right. Here we've got y plus 2 is greater than or equal to negative 3x. So we're going to subtract that 2. So we've got y is greater than or equal to negative 3x minus 2. We start at negative 2. We go down 3 over 1. Just to give myself another point on this line, I'm going to go up 3, back 1. This is going to be solid because of the equal to, and it's going to be shaded above. So we're going to shade this way. So the only part that overlaps is between the two lines right here. Compare and contrast the systems in items 1A and 1B. Well, I noticed that in both systems, my lines are parallel. They do not intersect. In both systems, the boundary lines are parallel. In 1A, the system has no solution. While in 1B, the system has solutions between the parallel lines. On the next slide, you're going to see a debriefing question. After you answer that, we'll move on to question 3. Make sure you have all this written down.